Learn English with Word In. Sentence 1.
अली ने सिगरेट छोड़ दी है.
Ali has quit smoking.
Ali has quit smoking. Sentence 2.
मेरी कमीज धुलवा दो.
Get my shirt washed.
Get my shirt washed. Sentence 3.
मैंने ऐसा तो नहीं कहा.
I didn't say like that.
I didn't say like that. Sentence 4.
नमाज जरूर पढ़ा करो.
Must offer prayer.
Must offer prayer.